The nut puller, windmill nut puller. Without the tool, you're supposed to use a slide hammer to get it out, which breaks the bolt off in the nut, and then you can't get it out. So, low friction pulling nut puller. I need to pull the slug out. So you put an M8 bolt in the slug. Up inside there's a thrust bearing, so there's no drag. The nut puller, windmill nut puller. There was several people working on the tower trying to get it up and going, and the tool saved the day. They could not get this nut out without this tool. So we built this for Siemens here in our small town, the maintenance crew, and now we're ready to show the rest of the world. The nut puller, windmill nut puller.